Hi, we're at Sharkeys Bar, Southampton in the UK, where we've deployed through the Richer Sounds custom installation team a very large video over IP system using our IP50 HD contractor series, which allows us the ability to distribute 1080p 60 imagery all the way through the bar to, in this bar, over 100 screens. We've given them access on each of the floors for each of the different members of bar staff, the ability for them to intuitively drag and drop any of the source devices to every single screen in the bar. The system we put in the middle is the NETGEAR Pro AV line using the M4250 switches. We've got 3 48-port switches, all cascaded one within the other, using their new optimized interface for the AV line, including video over IP.